Understanding, gone by, enhance your English proficiency. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to help you enhance your English skills in the most enjoyable way possible. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, the phrase, gone by. You might have come across this phrase in books, movies, or everyday conversations, and wondered about its meaning and usage. Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it together and clear up any confusion. Gone by is a phrase that can be used to refer to a time that has passed or something that is no longer present or existing. It's important to understand that this phrase is often used in a nostalgic or reflective context, implying a sense of looking back at the past. For example, the golden days have gone by, referring to a past, cherished time. The opportunity has gone by, referring to a missed chance. Let's look at how gone by can be used in sentences to better understand its application. 1. The days have gone by so quickly, I can hardly believe it's already December. 2. Here, gone by is used to express how time has passed rapidly. 3. That old, rustic house has gone by, and in its place stands a modern apartment building. 4. In this example, gone by denotes that the old house no longer exists. 5. The time for apologies has gone by. Now we need to take action. 6. This sentence uses gone by to convey that the appropriate time for apologies has passed. It's common to confuse gone by with similar phrases like gone past or gone away. While they might sound somewhat alike, their meanings can be quite different. Gone past usually refers to something moving beyond a specific point. The parade has gone past our house. Gone away often means that someone has left or something is no longer there. My friend has gone away for a week. Understanding these subtle differences is crucial for accurate and expressive communication. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, gone by. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, mastering a language is all about understanding the nuances and practicing regularly. So, keep learning, keep practicing, and stay curious. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.